What if a lightweight dual sport could still deliver real fun on both the road and the trail? The 2026 Yamaha DT 175 might be the perfect blend of simplicity and adventure. Welcome back to Ignite Wheels, where passion meets performance. Today, we're taking a closer look at a bike that brings back classic dual-purpose riding with a modern touch. Design. The Yamaha DT 175 carries a clean, rugged design built for versatility. Its slim body, high ground clearance, and minimal bodywork make it ideal for both urban streets and off-road paths. The upright stance and simple styling give it a timeless appeal, while its lightweight build makes it easy to handle in different conditions. Performance. At the heart of the DT 175 is a reliable 175 cubic centimeters engine designed for smooth and efficient performance. It delivers enough power for daily commuting while still being capable on light trails. The lightweight chassis makes maneuvering easy, especially for beginners, while the suspension handles bumps comfortably across mixed terrain. Features and technology. Yamaha keeps things simple and practical with the DT 175. You get a straightforward instrument cluster, dependable braking system, and fuel-efficient tuning. It's not packed with advanced electronics, but that's part of its strength: easy maintenance, durability, and a straightforward riding experience. Conclusion. Overall, the 2026 Yamaha DT 175 is a versatile and beginner-friendly motorcycle that stays true to its roots. It's ideal for riders looking for a reliable bike that can handle both everyday riding and light adventures. If you enjoyed this review, share your thoughts in the comments. Would you choose the DT 175 for your next ride? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ignite Wheels for more exciting and honest bike reviews.